This is Force 13, AU channel with the latest on the tropical weather scene. However, the Bureau of Meteorology in WA will have a gale warning in place Tuesday for the Bunbury, Geography and Leeuwin coast. However, switching back to New South Wales, Bureau has updated their severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall, damaging winds, mid-north coast, Hunters, central tablelands, northwest slopes and plains, northern tableland forecast district and slow-moving thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorm activity likely to produce heavy rainfall, may lead to flash flooding, damaging winds in following areas: Armidale, Glen Innes, Campertee, Kendos, Hill End and Bendemeer. This is the area under the current warning advisory. And we have a look at the latest instability from around 7 a.m. this morning through to the same period tomorrow, followed by storm probabilities to 10 p.m. and including wind probability, GFS model. Each of these images are in 3-hourly blocks. And in this day update, we'll have a look at developing a tropical low up there in the northwest corner of the Coral Sea, about 370 kilometres northeast of the Leichhardt River, which is on the eastern side of the Cape York Peninsula. And here's a look at the Bureau's Weeper radar. This was recorded earlier this morning. And there's no doubt that this scene will change, seeing we now have a tropical low. And here's a look at the Grafton radar, and you can see where the storm activity is, and as the Bureau said, they remain slow moving. And shortly we'll have a look at the tropical cyclone formation probability guide. And there are 5 systems currently on the radar. However, Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland, tropical cyclone update for the Coral Sea via their 3-day outlook. At 2 p.m. Queensland time, a weak tropical low was analysed along the developing monsoon trough about 190 kilometres east of Thursday Island. The system is expected to slowly intensify and track either towards the southwest or southeast over the next few days. Conditions are expected to become more favourable from Thursday as a result. The potential for tropical cyclone development in either the Gulf of Carpentaria or northwestern Coral Sea will increase. Another weak tropical low was analysed in the Coral Sea near 11.8 degrees south, 158.4 degrees east. Atmospheric conditions are not favourable for significant development over the next 3 days. The Bureau has percentages very low Tuesday, Wednesday, then changes to low on Wednesday. And whilst we have a look at the Himalaya 8 satellite rainbow view of the western region, BOA meteorology at 14:43 Central Standard Time. I think I've got that one right. Northern Territory. Weak monsoon trough extends over waters north of the top end. Cape York Peninsula. A weak tropical low, 1007 millibar low. Currently located within this trough over the hour for your sea. It's expected to slowly strengthen, moving towards the southwest. It is currently not expected to develop into a tropical cyclone, while in the northern region, though there is increased chances of development after entering the western region. And just recapping the Coral Sea information. Tropical low lies within the trough over the Torres Strait, expected to slowly intensify, tracking towards the south, east or southwest over the next few days. Conditions are expected to become more favourable from Thursday, and as a result the potential for tropical cyclone development in either the Gulf of Carpentaria or northwestern Coral Sea will increase. Now we have a look at the BOA's total forecast of rain, and there's no doubt that this picture will also change. And again, it's going to be the tropical North Queensland coast, and I'm really hoping that this system, the monsoon trough, will actually track down into Queensland and delivering much needed rainfall. And you can clearly see where the intense activity is going to be. And now we have a look at the upper level divergence. It's not as strong to that seen with other tropical systems, however. There's no doubt that the scene is going to develop, and we will continue to bring the latest information. Our main channel is also covering other tropical systems on the radar, and we just looked at the wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency, and my favourite, the 850 millibar vorticity, and you clearly see the area RFUC, Torres Strait across to the Solomon Islands. Now we have a look at the Pivotal Weather website. It's the GFS precipitation model. And the scale is at the bottom of the screen, and again, what does one say about this possible scenario? Especially the area in dark brown. Now we have a look at cyclone phase. UK Met, Navy's NAFGEM, NCEP GFS, the Canadian model, NCEP GFS, UK Met, Navy's NAFGEM, and this is that cut-off low that the BOA reported yesterday over there in the southern region of Western Australia. and this is the icon model. Caution needs to be applied when viewing the models, as the picture does change, and it has really changed considerably over the last couple of days. And this is the Canadian model, and they're picking up one, the New Caledonia Vanuatu region, the Navy's Neftchen.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.